All right, how much responsibility does the betrayed partner need to take for the affair that happened in the marriage? I mean, it's a really good question because at the end of the day, let's not forget, neither spouse is perfect. And there's always two sides to the story, right? I mean, let's just be honest. Would you have even cheated if they would have been more sexual or paid more attention to you? So let's just be fair. How much responsibility should the betrayed partner take for the affair? And the answer is none. None responsibility. Every time. And the reason so many of you were scared that I was going to say something different is because so many people, including pastors or counselors, try to blame the affair on the marriage. And the marriage is comprised of two people, so obviously there's some blame on either side, right? Wrong, because nobody causes you to do anything. Cowards blame their destructive and hurtful actions on someone else. Immature people find excuses on why they don't need to take accountability for their own actions. I would know I was one of them. Did both of you contribute to the marriage issues? Absolutely, but only one of you contributed to the affair. And it's not the affair. It's not the affair caused by the marriage. It's your affair. Bad marriages don't cause affairs. They might have been a bad spouse, but they did not deserve to be cheated on because no one deserves to be cheated on. Now, having an unhealthy relationship with ourselves or with our partners can set us up to be tempted more, sure. But at the end of the day, how we respond to our temptations is our responsibility, isn't it? I mean, think about it. You could have just divorced them or broke up with them and slept with whoever you wanted to. I mean, you might be a jerk for that, but you wouldn't be a cheater. But instead, you chose to lie and cheat and deceive and get your needs for either attention or affection or admiration. However legitimate they were, you chose to get those needs met elsewhere. Those were your decisions that you need to fully own and take accountability for if you ever want this relationship to heal. Now, going forward, do both spouses need to learn about healthy conflict resolution? Sure. Do they both need to learn about love and how important intimacy and appreciation and selflessness and emotional connection are to the overall health of their relationship? Yes. But that is secondary to the healing that needs to happen from the atomic bomb that is an affair. Now, to the betrayer, can you redeem this? Can you rebuild trust after an affair? Absolutely. I am walking proof of that. But it is not for the prideful. It is not for the emotionally immature. It is not for people who refuse to take accountability and refuse to be self-reflective and remain self-centered. You have an opportunity to show everyone around you, including your kids who are watching your every move, what real remorse and repentance looks like. You have an opportunity to step up, to show up, and if your spouse will take you back, which you don't deserve, you have a chance to start over, to hit the reset in your relationship and build something far better than what you had before. It's possible, but it takes work and humility and accountability and self-reflection, and guess what? Your spouse and your marriage are worth it.